All right, so you've tried lash extensions, lash glue, lash strips, sandwich lashes, but you've not tried magnetic eyeliner. Look at these lashes. These are held together with magnetic eyeliner, and they're so easy to apply. Okay, 2 coats of this MAGNEtude magnetic liner, 1 lash, and you just stick your lash right onto that magnetic liner. Did I blow your mind? Because I know my mind was blown. But the question is like, all right, girl, like those look like they could work for me, but do they stay? And the answer is 100% yes. They stay all day until you get ready to take them off at night. So we've got 3 different lash styles. We've got a selfie lash, a ladies night lash, and a 9 to 5 that you can wear every day. These are a little more glam, but I love them because they still could work for every day. So check out all the information below because I can't wait for your minds to be blown.